When it comes to computers, there are some things you just shouldn't do. One day during class, we had an idea. It was a stupid idea that we all joked about initially, but then we named it Flash Hell, and from then on, we had actually started working on this new project. Alright, so keyboard and mouse are plugged in, the monitor's plugged in, we have the 13 flash drives plugged in. It was short-lived, but we had a lot of ideas. Hold on, we actually have...
Network them all together and
No.
array across multiple computers.
Hear me out.
What is this?
That's USB motherboard header to USB motherboard header.
No.
One of us at the time was busy building the PC we were going to use for testing this project, so we spent a lot of time just joking around.
That's still 13.
That's still 13 total.
Okay, no, but like hear me out, guys. We put USB drives on every one of these machines. We network them together and use a head machine to connect network shares together.
Oh God, you're that face. I'm sorry, Ron, but that reaction was like instinctual.
Can we get USB hubs?
For each, which adds 4.
Wait, so we split up the USB 3.0 ports, right, into like a bunch of USB 2 ports.
We just need all the flash drives.
Yeah, we need all the flash drives.
We RAID array a crap ton of flash drives together in Linux and then network share them all together.
Network share the individual array as one volume over peer-to-peer, so it's fastest.
We create a RAID array on each machine and then we RAID array them all together.
Jesus Christ.
3 options.
So it would be a lot better.
Wait, that's a good point. We have a bunch of spare switches. We could just use...
I want to just like walk
Yeah,
up.
Choose this one.
We could literally just use any switch to RAID them.
Wait,
together.
do you think gigabit will be too slow?
It'll be funny.
I think gigabit might actually get too slow.
It'll be funny.
Okay, fair. Yeah.
I think Gigabit might be.
No, but if you think about it, if we have like 8 machines, we'd have 800 mega.
All right, so Ether channel, right? We get 2 gigabit.
Oh, you won't be here next year though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be here next year. It's gonna be sad.
I will ping you on Discord when we do it.
Yes.
We're gonna stream it to you in the mornings.
Oh my God. Yeah, you just patch me into the security cams, put a speaker attached to them, Discord call. I'm sure we could figure something out. Yeah.
my God.
You've made
Moving
Discord
voice
bots
over
before.
the
Right?
intercom whenever you want to talk to you. Like, hello, God.
Hello, God. My voice comes over. I mean, alright, so we could set up a Discord bot that just streams all the audio it hears through to a speaker in this room. He would run it on the web server, and the web server would just stream the audio to some speakers out there. I'm sure we could get that
That's another
connected.
thing I could do. I could make a Discord bot. That'd be funny.
To be using it, but nobody touches it, because why would you do that?
Why is this machine taking forever to post?
I think you should punch it just in case.
Which machine is it?
Hamson.
Oh God, it left marks. It left marks.
It'd be really funny if it
just-
booted right then and there.
There we go. I mean, each time you
I'm
punch
about
it,
to
that
just
light
power it
goes
off
right?
and power it on.
Yeah.
I've noticed-
Either next week or the week after that, I'm gonna bring in.
It booted?
Wait, what? It booted with 13 flash drives?
Watch.
Get this. 12 storage devices.
Just USB controllers. Let's go. CMOS settings.
That's amazing.
F1 to run setup.
Let's go. We had finally gotten the PC to post after some minor repairs. Now this PC was old, around 2006-2007, and we still had some work to do. We were restricted to 15 USB ports, which gave us 13 USB ports for flash drives, because we needed 2 for a keyboard and mouse. Now we had to get a boot device and hard disk drive set up with Linux, so we could actually force a RAID0 array across all of the flash drives, which you cannot do in Windows. And this turned out to be a lot harder than we had initially thought. Could have possibly imagined that using 13 flash drives in one machine would possibly pose any sort of problem. Gotta test all of these individually. Don't know what it's doing right now. I'm kind of just waiting for the fan to randomly turn off for no reason. Yeah. Kind of thought it might be going through all 13 flash drives.
Oh no.
That might actually explain why it's taking a while. Grub has to go back because it doesn't support Grub 2. It doesn't support UEFI BIOS, so we have to go with a legacy BIOS option. I genuinely don't know if we have any drives that support a legacy BIOS boot. I don't know. I guess we really are back to Ubuntu. Didn't want to have to do this, but I think it's our only option. So as it turns out, we needed to replace the hard drive with an SSD and install Ubuntu on it. And this was a pain, but it wasn't recorded, so on to the benchmarks, I guess. Onto the benchmarks is what I would have said if we had actually not had another issue, which, as it turns out, because we were using a bunch of USB 3.0 drives, we were experiencing some backwards compatibility issues with specific ports on the front panel I/O. So we had to move around all of our USB drives until finally all of them were recognized and reliably functioning, which took a while. And then we had to remake the RAID array again and make sure that we could benchmark it. Otherwise known as Flash Hell, 13 in a RAID array, successfully being benchmarked. It finished the benchmark? How long was the benchmark? Oy.
I finished 55 minutes ago.
55 minutes. That's slow.
Yeah, but it's got progressively faster.
Finally, we had gotten some benchmarks. They were actually not that bad either, with 20 megabytes per second sequential read-write speeds and a really good 1.7 milliseconds average response time. Sadly, the PC had to be put away. I could probably get them to run more benchmarks and try some of the ideas we've mentioned, though. If you have any ideas you'd like to see tested, comment down below and like and share the video. With that being said, have a good day, night, evening, whichever you prefer, depending on whichever time you're watching this video, and I will catch you all soon, hopefully.